Firstly, I work with the Wales Union Learning Fund project managers to organise courses in different workplaces with themselves, and also we organise courses to train reps in different disciplines. ULRs in the workplace are able to tell us exactly what their learners would like to learn. We're then able to work with those ULRs to try and tailor those courses specifically for that set of learners.
I think the funded courses will help my personal development just because the courses are very based around different skill sets and they're very varied.
Those specifically popular included the team building and the negotiation skills. I feel that others that will be popular will be things like report writing and presentation skills.
Show formulas, there is a tab.
After that initial course, which has been funded by the Wales Union Learning Fund, we're then able to have a foot in the door to run additional courses on top and to build close collaborations with those employers. Adult Learning Wales has been working quite closely with the Wolf project managers for quite some time now. I think the organisation has benefited greatly from having these partnerships and close collaboration.
The union learning and the assistance that we've had from the Wolf funding providers has been absolutely invaluable to us. The support that it's provided will be probably received really throughout the organisation in ripples for many years to come.
The best thing about the Wolf projects are that often we can reach learners that are not normally reached. We're able to run courses in many different types of workplaces, and it's really seeing the increase in confidence in individuals from being on a course and when they've learnt or discovered something new.
I think the union-led learning and also my apprenticeship link quite well because a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be doing with college, I'm getting skills from these courses that I can then apply to that as well.
This isn't a difficult process for anybody to engage with. It's a really easy process. You feel well supported through it. The help and the advice that you're given whilst designing courses, and certainly from a learner's perspective, we've had nothing but really good feedback.
The partnership element is very important, and I hope it goes on to go bigger and better.
I feel great that I'm able to do these courses, and I'm really glad that I get to go on them, meet new people and just learn.